when the enemies faced the wrath and valor of the Indian Navy, when the Indian Navy left a lasting blow on Pakistan, when Operation Trident scripted new history, it marked the beginning of Navy Day, a day to remember the heroism and prowess of the Indian Navy. Before 1972, Navy Day was celebrated on December 15, but such a historic event took place in 1971 that a Naval Officers Conference in 1972 decided that Navy Day would be celebrated on December 4th every year. The history of Navy Day dates back to 1971, when the Indian Navy launched Operation Trident during the Indo-Pakistan War. This operation went on to become one of the most defining moments in Indian history. On December 3rd, 1971, Pakistan launched a sudden attack on Indian air bases. But the very next night, the Indian Navy struck back. Under the leadership of Commodore K.P. Shetty Gopal Rao, the Indian Navy orchestrated Operation Trident, a daring attack on Pakistan's Karachi naval headquarters. Using 3 missile boats, INS Veer, INS Nipat and INS Nirghat, along with Vidyut-class boats, the Indian Navy inflicted severe damage on Pakistan. They sank 3 Pakistani naval ships, including PNS Khaibar, and took down hundreds of enemy personnel. Every year, December 4th serves as a reminder of the extraordinary bravery displayed by the Indian Navy during one of the most pivotal moments in Indian history. Beyond commemorating Operation Trident, Navy Day also underscores the importance of maritime security for India, which is surrounded by vast coastlines. Indian Navy plays a vital role not only in defending our borders, but also in securing safe international trade routes and maintaining regional stability in the Indian Ocean.